time. No, bhaiya. All will synchronize each other. All will synchronize each other. In our class, this is one. In this class, how we all are synchronizing each other. In this class, how we are synchronizing each other. Sometimes I will stop. Sometimes you will stop. Sometimes I will ask. Sometimes you will listen. Sometimes you listen. Sometimes I will ask. So it is a nice story going on. Nice story. Whenever I am talking, you don't talk. Whenever you are talking, I don't talk. Some compromise is going on here. Same thing here. Same thing here. Lexical analyzer, parser. Both are cooperating each other. Because of I know token, I cannot do 35 tokens at a time. There is no meaning. All tokens I will do, right? I will do at a time to parser. What it will do? So whenever parser will ask to token, he will give. Whenever parser will ask to token, he will give. They both are synchronizing like this. Based on the next token, next production will be selected. Tree means productions. If you see the tree, everything is a production. See, this is one production. This is one production. Right? So this is one production. So everything is a production. Right? Which production I have to take? Based on the tokens, it will come. So if anyone having small doubt also, now only started compiler. You cannot get everything now. Just I am giving the connection, how they are connected. Listen, yesterday people are thinking that, lexical is over. Syntax will start. People are thinking like that. In the yesterday's class, people are thinking lexical will come first, syntax will come next. No, bhaiya. He will give tokens. He will create parse tree. They all will synchronize each other. Whenever syntax analyzer will say, I want to create tree, I have a problem, lexical analyzer, please give next token. Accordingly, leave it. And one more beauty. Listen, one more beauty. Everyone listen. One more beauty. I am saying everyone have to listen this also. If you can listen this also, you will get the full clarity. If you can listen this also, you will get full clarity. Let us assume. Is it ID? Listen everyone now. Let us assume that it is ID. Remember, for every ID, for every identifier, token number given. Let us assume that its token number is ID, 1. Whenever it is a ID, there is a token number. Whenever it is a ID, there is a token number. He will go inside. Listen, he will go inside the symbol table. Let us assume that it is a symbol table. Careful. Whenever it is an ID, compulsory, there is a token number. So ID 1 means it is there in the first row. Can you see this one? First row. ID is XO. Let us assume. This type may be float. Assume. This type may be float. Assume that. So this type is float. But let us assume that in between there is an assignment operator. Just observe. In between some assignment operator. Let us assume this side also ID there. This is ID2. Let us assume that here also ID there. Let us assume it is ID2. If I go to second row, Y, it is int. Observe properly. Whenever you say ID, every identifier having token number. Let us assume that this token number is ID2. If I go to second row, I got to know it is an integer. So integer equal to. Again it is ID. Every identifier having the token number. ID1, symbol table first row, float. Trying to store float in the integer. You are trying to store float in integer. ID2 is an integer. You are trying to store float inside integer. You will lose data. Am I right or not? I think a type mismatch error. Trying to store float in integer. 4 bytes data you are storing in 2 bytes. You will lose data. So it is going to be error message. Now remember, whenever you are checking the types type means semantic error. So semantic analyzer also will come at a time. Whenever identifier, immediately semantic analyzer will come. Whenever identifier, immediately see it is identifier. Semantic analyzer will come and will check what is the type. In the symbol table second row, there is a int there. Whenever identifier, immediately semantic analyzer will come. ID1 in the symbol table first row, float there. Oh, you are trying to store float in integer, so type mismatch. Bigger one you are trying to store in smaller one, you will lose data, type mismatch error. Let us assume that whenever this story came, right? So lexical analyzer is there, row number, let us assume row number 85, column number 3, this incident happened, assume. Then it will say because of semantic analyzer, semantic error. So I am writing here row number 85, column number 3, this story happened. Float you are trying to store in integer, which is going to be type mismatch story, semantic error. Right? So that is the right type problem, type mismatch error. Whenever identifier will come, immediately semantic will come. Is it identifier? Yes. Immediately semantic will come and will see what is the token number, ID2, symbol table second row, integer. Whenever ID came, immediately semantic will come. So token number ID1 in the symbol table first row, float. So trying to store float in integer. Bigger one in the smaller one, you may lose the data. So error message. So which row? At that time, lexical analyzer, 85 row, column 3. So row number 85, column number 3, syntax error, type mismatch like that. So what I mean to say is lexical, syntax, semantic, all three will work at a time. Everyone will do their part. Lexical analyzer doing tokens, parser creating parse tree, semantic analyzer doing type checking, all three done at a time. Suppose assume that all are not doing at a time. Can anyone guess how many scans will happen? Suppose assume that all three people are not doing at a time. All are doing one after another. Can you say how many scans? All are doing one after another. How many scans? Lexical will do total program one scan, n time. Lexical analyzer will do total program one scan. Right? Next one. Lexical analyzer will do one scan. Next one. Parser to create parse tree, one more scan. Semantic analyzer to do type checking, one more scan. Totally 3 scans. If all will do individually, 3 scans. If all will do at a time, 1 scan. In 1 scan, all people are communicating. All people are collaborating each other. You only say, you and me, both are collaborating. That is the reason in one class only, both are going on. You are doing your work, I am doing my work. In one class only, all people are doing work. You are doing your work. Wherever doubt, you are asking. Whenever possibility there, I am explaining. So we all are communicating at a time. That's the reason in one class only everything happening. Some students in one class only, they are listening also, they are writing notes also. Some people in one class, they are listening only, they may write afterwards. So right, that is the meaning of collaboration. We all are collaborated. So in one class, everything happening. So in one scan, n time all. You only say at a time, if you do, you can save the time. You can do one after another also. Lot of time will waste. Now it is the correct time to ask you. Lexical, syntax, semantic, are they working one at a time or combinedly? Lexical, syntax, semantic, are they working at a time or one after another? Lexical, syntax, semantic, are they working at a time or one after another? Lexical, syntax, semantic, are they working one at a time or one after another? All at a time will work. Everyone will do their work. One person doing tokens, one person doing creating a tree, one person will do semantic checking, all the things. If they do combinedly, they can save a lot of time. So see, the purpose of this entire story to give that clarity. Nothing will come in the examination from this. For your convenience, see, yesterday I cannot say this story. Yesterday I said systematically one by one. Yesterday I explained systematically one by one. Lexical analogy will do what? Syntax will do what? Semantics will do what? I explained one after another. You may be thinking in your brain, same imagination will be there. You may be thinking like that, but I want to say that it is not like that. So you will start doing tokens, you will start creating parse tree, but parse tree means all these production. I don't know which production I have to take. I written some randomly, don't think much. Some randomly I written. Out of these 10 crore production, which one I have to take? I have doubt. So see the program. See the program is lexical. Lexical will see, he will say, next token is this one. According to this token, take this production. So my next token is this. So production number 7 you have to take. So parser will take 7. Again he will ask, hello lexical, can you give next token? Right? He will say next token is that. You have to take production number 10. He will take production number 10. Again he will say next token is this. Production number 50 you have to take. He will take production number 50. But according to production number 50, next token is a star. But lexical saying that next token is ID. Whatever he said I done till now, but according to whatever he said previously, I taken production number 55. In the production number 55, next token expected star, but lexical saying next token is ID. So both are not matching. Previous token, whatever given, current next token, whatever he is saying, some problem is coming. Because production number 55 saying, whatever he is saying, lie. Oh, programmer written something wrong. So he will say, right, whoever facing this problem, syntax will inform to error handler. Right, this place I faced this problem. Error handler, can you give error message? Syntax error. Then immediately we'll ask the right lexical analyzer at which row, which column you are facing this problem. This row, this column. So you will note down everything. After compilation is over, you will print all error messages. Whatever you note down, whoever inform. If semantic inform, you will say semantic error. If semantic inform, you will say semantic error. If syntax will inform, you will say syntax error. But every time you will ask the row number, column number. Row number, column number known by only lexical analyzer. Only lexical analyzer. Okay, whatever you got, it's okay. In my opinion, all people got clearly. If you don't get also, no problem. If you don't get also, no problem. No need to bother. No need to bother. Whatever you got, it's okay. Can you write a few points here? Can you write a few points here? First point. Write the first point. Lexical analyzer. Write the points one by one. Almost you are okay. One or two doubts also there. These things will clarify. So sir, the token number is given only for the user defined thing. Right? Token number. See, all are tokens only. Everything is token, but token number will be given only for identifier. Now let me say interesting answer. Everyone listen. A is equal to, nice question. See the nice question. See this one. A is equal to B plus C. Everyone observe this. A is equal to B plus C. A is a identifier type token, but it is identifier. Token number also given. A comma 1. Next one, assignment operator. It is also token. B is a token identifier, token number given because they stored in the symbol table. B2. Next one, plus is a token, but because of it is already right, compiler knows you don't give any token number. It is also token. Next one, C identifier. It is a token identifier. You will give token number. So C comma ID comma 3. ID comma 1, ID comma 2, ID comma 3. Token numbers given only for identifiers, but every one is a token. These all are tokens. Nice question. Thank you so much for asking. Thank you so much for asking. Further, anyhow, you see that. Further, anyhow, you see that. Let me go further. Write down now. Lexical analyzer is first phase of the compiler. Right, everyone? Lexical analyzer is first phase of the compiler, which divides given program into tokens. Which divides given program into tokens. Lexical analyzer is the first phase of the compiler, which divides given program into tokens. Because of that reason, lexical analyzer is also known as scanner. Because of that reason, lexical analyzer is also known as scanner. Lexical analyzer is the first phase of the compiler, which divides given program into tokens. Because of that reason, it divides the given program into tokens, means he is clearly scanning everything. So that is the reason lexical analyzer is also known as scanner. Okay, that is fine. 2. Different types of tokens are. When you say token, which type of token? Different types of tokens are roughly identifier type token. No one will ask you for your convenience. Identifier type, keyword type. Next one, operator type. Inside operator, again some more divisions are there. Right? Maybe arithmetic operator, relational operator, Boolean operator. Simply say operator. Next one, constants, separators, or some special symbol. If you want, you can write special symbol. Remaining all, let us use that special symbol. Remaining all, maybe comma, maybe semicolon, maybe bracket. Special symbols. Within the brackets, I'm writing maybe comma, semicolon. Next one, maybe bracket. Something like this. Right? Keywords. Sorry, operator, maybe plus, maybe star. No one will ask you. If at all they will ask, I will go a little deeper. If they are not asking, why should I go deeper? Plus, star, divide, minus, R operator, end operator, double end, and so on. Constant, maybe 60, maybe 70, 80.5, some numbers. Keywords, maybe if, return, some more like this. Identifier, maybe some name A, maybe B, maybe fun function, right? Some names, maybe variable where. Different types of tokens are identifier type token, keyword type token, operator type token, constants, special symbol. Lexical analyzer is the first phase of the compiler, which divides the given program into tokens. Next one, different types of tokens are roughly I written. Yeah, only identifier will go inside symbol table. Only identifiers will go inside symbol table. So remember the above story, whatever I said. If I don't say above story, you feel that if I don't say above story, you feel that lexical will come first to know by yeah. All three will work simultaneously. Always cooperation required. There is no strict rule. Prime Minister, Home Minister, who is great, they both should cooperate. If they don't cooperate, they will fight each other every day. Prime Minister, Home Minister, always, right? In my opinion, they always should be friends. For the Chief Minister, who is very close, that person will be selected as the Home Minister. Otherwise, they both will fight always. For the Prime Minister, who is very close, that person will be kept as a Home Minister. Otherwise, they both will fight. And one more, to the Prime Minister, whoever very close, those people will be selected as the ministers. Otherwise, they will fight always. They all should cooperate each other. If they don't cooperate each other, system cannot run. Are you getting? Whenever three people are working, they all should work together. They cannot work individually. If they work individually, problem will come. Lot of time will be wasted. Only lexical. Lexical said that I will do first. Other people I don't help. Then one scan. Semantic will said that I will do one scan. Syntax will said that I will do one scan. Okay, do everyone one scan. Lot of time. Someone is saying Modi, Shah, Yogi. If I keep my leg inside your mouth, don't bite me. If I keep my leg inside your mouth, don't bite me. Are Vipul? If I keep my leg inside your mouth, don't bite me. Again and again, I'm requesting you. But if you keep your leg inside my mouth, definitely I will bite you. Definitely I will bite you. What is going on? What you are talking? Are good leg? I'm talking seriously some story. You are saying Yogi, Modi, Shah, all are friends. What exactly said? They both are friends. Very serious story going on. You are playing jokes. Right, I think you people got to see. Some people see that is the reason everywhere patience is required. Are you getting or not? Everywhere patience is required. Do you believe or not? Do you believe or not? Everywhere patience is required. See, whenever the story going on, see, some people dropped. Whenever the story going on, some people dropped. Are bhaiya, the purpose of this one, I want to say, they all are cooperating each other. Nothing will come in the exam. Nothing will come in the exam. Just I want to say how they will synchronize. Everyone doing their work. See, when class going on, I am writing on my board. You are writing on your notes. When our class is going on, I am writing on my board. You are writing on your notes. I am talking. You are typing. Some jokers came in between. They are playing jokes. Right? Everyone doing their work. So similarly here, lexical doing, token, syntax doing, right? Parse tree creation, semantic doing, semantic checking, everyone doing their work, but yet a time. Otherwise, many scans will come. Unnecessarily time waste. Similarly, when our class going on, everyone done. See, I am writing. Sometimes I am scolding. Sometimes I am blocking. I blocked one or two people also. Right? I blocked one or two people also. I am writing, right? I am talking, right? Sometimes I am scolding, sometimes I am blocking, right? Because someone is asking, I am hungry. I have to take dinner. What should I do? Someone is saying that I am hungry, I want to take dinner. So I blocked him saying that go and take dinner. Right? I don't want to waste the time and all. I simply said indirectly, go and take, right? Don't block me. Someone is saying, seriously class going on. One person came, said that I am hungry, I want to eat. Then I said, go and eat. Give dinner, sir. Okay, eat. Neha, eat this. Neha, eat this. Cake. Eat this. Neha, please eat. Eat this mouse also. So tasty, sir. Just shut up. Neha, just shut up. Right? See, that is the reason people used to say, that is the reason people used to say you should have patience. See, one story going on. I want to convey to all of them. They all are synchronizing. One person cannot do directly. Everyone, that all three people are synchronizing. They are doing like this. Okay, fine. These are the main points. Whatever you got from that, only these conclusions. So lexical analyzer divide the program into tokens. That is the reason it is known as scanner. Different types of tokens are I written. Next one. Everyone listen. Very interesting question. Listen. Very interesting question. In the program, comments for user purpose or compiler purpose or processor purpose. In the program, comments are for the purpose of whom? In program, comments written for the purpose of whom? User, compiler, or processor? User, compiler, or processor? User purpose only. That is the reason whenever compilation is going on, whenever you see comment line, you will eliminate it. Because right, compilation purpose is converting high level to low level. What is the requirement of converting the comments? So right, one more purpose of the right lexical analyzer is tokens is one purpose. One more purpose is going to be it will eliminate comment line. It will lexical analyzer eliminate comment line, means it don't count. Lexical analyzer will remove comment lines, means it don't count as a right token. That means in the tokens you don't count. Lexical analyzer will remove comment lines. Next one. Lexical analyzer will remove white space characters also. Lexical analyzer will remove white space characters also. Lexical analyzer will remove white space characters also. Some people are asking, sir, what is the white space character? Can you see everyone? I want answer from you. How many tokens here? I am expecting answer from everyone. How many tokens here? I am expecting answer here. How many tokens? Int A semicolon. Int A semicolon. How many tokens? Int A semicolon. How many tokens? Chaman is saying that good evening, sir. Good evening, Chaman. Good evening. Good evening, Chaman. Good evening. So how many tokens? 3. See this one? It is one token. It is one token. It is one token. See, this white space, it don't count. This is called white space. White space means blank. White space means blank. Let me write now. White space contain. White space contain. So I'm writing here. Blank. New line. New line character. Blank and new line. Lexical analyzer will remove white space character. Means it don't count as a token. It don't count as a token. Please be careful. That's the 4th line. 5th line. Lexical analyzer will help. Lexical analyzer will help. in giving error messages, by providing row number, column number. Whenever error happened, he will provide the row number, column number. It's a very, very important task. If row number, column number not there, right, user don't know where is the error. Suppose assume that after compilation is over, you got 5 errors. You don't know row number, column number. Where you fix it? How to fix it is a serious issue. So this is the one of the greatest functionality of lexical analyzer. Lexical analyzer will help in giving error messages by providing row number, column number. This is the very, very important functionality. He is the only one who knows. He is the only one who knows row number, column number, because no one will touch the program other than lexical analyzer. Lexical analyzer is the only one who knows whenever this error came, at which row is there, at which column is there. Lexical analyzer will help in giving error messages by providing row number, column number. If you don't provide row number, column number, serious issue. Suppose my program contains 10 lakh lines of code. I done the compilation. I got 500 errors. Row number, column number not there. Where I will check? Program contains 10 lakh lines of code. Where I will check? So definitely it will waste a lot of time. So lexical analyzer is doing the great help by providing row number, column number whenever error came. So these are the 5 functionality. Anyone having any doubt, let me know. Anyone having any doubt, let me know. Anyone. If 5th functionality not there, no one will become developer. If the lexical analyzer don't provide row number, column number, lexical analyzer don't provide row number, column number, trust me, no one will become a developer. Because unfortunately, error will come. You don't know where to check. Unfortunately, error will come. You don't know where to check. Someone is saying, who replace macros? Arey, Vipul, one time if I beat you, your hand will go. Can you help? Macros will be replaced by preprocessor or not? Macros will be replaced by preprocessor or not? Before compiler, there is a preprocessor. Preprocessor will replace all shortcuts by actual. He is not part of compiler. He is a before compiler. So if you want, you can write that also. Note. Thank you so much, Vipul, for asking. Note. Macros means hash defined like that. These are macros. By preprocessor. Macros will be replaced by actual by preprocessors. Replaced by actuals. By preprocessor. Remember this. I think people going to block very soon. I think Vipul time is very close. By seeing all the chat, I can say, by seeing all this chat, I can say his lifetime is very close. He will be blocked soon. He will be blocked soon. Macros will be replaced by actuals by preprocessor. Yeah, can we stop? Now, can anyone help? Comments are, listen, comments are shortcuts for user convenience. Comments are shortcuts for user purpose. Comments are shortcuts for user purpose. So preprocessor will not come. Preprocessor only for macros. Preprocessor for macros. Right? Comment lines will be done by compiler. Compiler got to know this is for user convenience. He will skip it. You don't count. You don't count. Can you help? Can you help? Comment lines will be there in parser. Comment lines will be there in the parse tree. Comment lines will be present in the parse tree or not? Comment lines will be present in the parse tree or not? Bhaiya, no. Because lexical analyzer never give token, which is the comment. Lexical analyzer never give as a token, which is the comment. Whenever parser will ask lexical, please give next token. Whenever lexical analyzer got to know it is a comment, he don't give. If he give, he will create tree for that also. Whatever lexical will give, to that he will create tree. So lexical don't give, right, comment line, parser don't create. So we done really good work today.